Welcome to the instructional guide for the Quality Output Checklist and Content Assessment, also known as the QuoCCA. This video focuses on question 7. Question 7. Are any reporting guidelines specified, such as those found at the Equator Network? This and the remaining questions deal with research reporting practices. Reporting guidelines are being used increasingly as a way of standardising what's reported in publications. Mostly they specify minimal standards for reporting study methods and results. They include items which, if not reported on, may reduce the ability to assess bias. By following reporting guidelines, you help enhance the reader's understanding of the research, enable other researchers to reproduce your study, and allow the results to contribute to clinical recommendations. While specifying the reporting guideline used is not always mandated by journals, it's an important step to improve research quality and transparency. Fortunately, there's a growing number of reporting guidelines, many of which are collected by the Equator Network. For example, the ARRIVE guidelines provide the basic minimum on how to report animal research well. As shown, the ARRIVE guidelines provide guidance on reproducibility issues, including the details of the statistical methods used and the experimental procedures. Answers to question 7 of the QuoCCA include no, the use of reporting guidelines are not specified, or yes, the use of reporting guidelines is specified in the article. Be aware that many studies do not specify the reporting guidelines used. This poses a problem. Does this mean the study authors did not follow reporting guidelines, or that they followed the guidelines but never specified this in the paper? As seen in the examples, articles specifying the reporting guidelines which have been used do this explicitly. As the researcher, it's your responsibility to write down the reporting guidelines you are using.